Hi guys, today I am working on another watercolor of a mermaid. I've been really loving working on these lately, but yeah, today I want to talk about working on multiple projects or multiple pieces at the same time. I have found that the last maybe month or so I've been feeling especially excited about working on artwork and the projects that I have, and I love being able to sit down and analyze moments like this so I can figure out what are the things that are causing me to feel more excited, more motivated, more whatever the case is for that specific moment. And I think that self-reflection is one of the key things for being able to improve in probably anything, but especially in art like this. So I've been thinking about what is it that's really been just like lighting that spark for me. And the last several months I've been trying to have more pieces in the works at the same time. But this past month I've been just really ramping that up. I've been planning things out more in the future, figuring pieces out and getting the concepts at least down on paper, at least thought out, so that I have multiple things that I can jump into and work on. And I have felt so much more excited this past month than I have in a really long time. I wake up just ready to get at it. And yeah, I genuinely think that it's because I have multiple pieces in the works and they're all at different points in the process, so that when I'm feeling really bored of a certain step of a certain piece, I can jump to something else and it's at a completely different place in that workflow. Or if I'm really frustrated with a problem, I can step away from it without feeling like I'm not creating art or not being productive. And yeah, I love this feeling. I love the feeling of having several things to entertain my brain with, to think about artistically, what can I work on. And yeah, it's definitely a workflow that I want to continue moving forward. In the past, when I was much younger, like high school age, I would work on a single piece until I either finished it or got sick of it, and then I'd stop working on it and work on something else. But then when I went to college and I was taking multiple art classes at the same time, I would have to have several projects that I was juggling with because I'd have several assignments. And I loved that. I loved being able to switch gears when I was really just feeling stuck or when I just wanted a fresh take on something. And that in particular worked really great for my brain in college because there were different assignments. So they had different mediums, different intentions behind them, different things to learn from. So there was just so many things to focus on when I needed to change gears. But then after college, I kind of settled into roughly an average of a piece a week for a couple of years. And I really started to hate that kind of workflow because it forced me to feel like I had to just grind through a piece. It meant that when I was feeling like I needed to step away from it so I could look at it with fresh eyes, I didn't have time to do that. Or if I wanted to explore a different concept or a different idea, I felt like I couldn't do that because I gave myself such a fast turnaround time and I had to stick to one piece and get it done and then stick to the next piece and get it done. And yeah, the last couple of months where I've been specifically trying to have several things going on at the same time, I'm trying to look ahead at future pieces that I'll be working on, things like oil paintings that take longer, so I need to start them sooner if I want them to be done at a certain date, things like that. It's really lit the spark for me. I'm feeling so attached and excited to the pieces that I'm working on. And I think that in a lot of ways it's allowed me to reconnect with a very important step for making art, for me at least, and that's taking a breath, taking a pause on a piece and allowing myself to think things through, to plan things out, to reanalyze, to look at what I'm doing and make sure it's in the right direction. Just all of these things are now happening where they weren't happening before when I was working on a single piece. I love this. I love this pace. I love what it gives me. I love the excitement of having lots of pieces that I get to think about and dream about and then I get to think about being able to show it to people. And yeah, it also helps me to be able to make sure that overall I'm moving more in the right direction rather than getting hyper focused working on a single piece and then realizing that I say did a concept that doesn't really fit with what I want to do moving forward with my pieces, or maybe I dropped a really integral thing that I've been focusing on, like a technique that I've been trying to figure out and fix and work on and add to my work. When I'm working piece by piece, it's a lot easier to lose the grand scheme of things, the overall impact that it can have on my portfolio. But when I'm working on, say, 3 pieces at the same time, I can batch that out. Basically, I can put in these concepts and these ideas and these techniques and make sure that I'm putting that into every single one of them. So right now I am working on well, I guess I was working on 4 pieces at the time of me painting this piece, but now that this is done, I have 3 pieces in the works at various stages. So I have my mermaid project, which I'm really excited about. This is going to be, and this is actually the first mermaid that I've ever actually been inclined to participate in, though I'm not doing it the traditional way. I've decided that for my mermaid project, I would like to focus on doing a single oil painting of a mermaid that I can just really get lost in the details and spend a lot of time working in oils, since that is a goal of mine, to work in oils and figure it out and actually get better at it. So that's my mermaid project. I have a sketch of it going right now that I'm just really excited about. I've been able to work on a piece, or a part of the sketch I should say, and then realize that there was something not quite working and I may not know what it was, and then I can step away from it and come back and reevaluate, or I can try out different design elements and figure out if that's working. So yeah, I love that. I love that I can come back and sit down and work on this sketch throughout the day, but I can also step away from it so I don't get all bogged down working on it. And then I have a piece that I am currently painting right now, and it's kind of like a study. I guess it is a study. It's intended to be as finished as I can get, but the intention is for me to learn how to paint glowing bones, or generally glowing effects, in oil paints. That's going to be kind of tied hand in hand with another piece that I have that's more, well, is just in the conceptual phase right now. And that's a piece that will feature a character that has glowing bones. I have some like key words, key concepts that are in my head right now, but I don't have anything down on paper yet for it. So yeah, each of these 3 projects that I'm currently working on are all at different points. So yeah, when I'm working on the sketch and I feel like I've just gotten to the point where I'm just really like noodling away at a certain point, and it's not getting better, it just keeps changing, which I do all the time, I can step away from it and just apply some paint to a painting. I can start working on the next layer. And when I feel like I've gotten to the point where I need to wait for the paint to dry before I can do another layer, then I can step back to the sketch, or I can step to thumbnailing and working on that piece that's just a concept right now. And I find that so empowering and exciting, and it makes me just want to get at it, to keep working on my artwork. And finally, I think one of the big things that it really allows me to do is to spend more time from start to finish on a piece than I have in a really long time. Not necessarily that I'm spending more time actually painting it, but there's, again, those gaps where I can spend time working on another piece, but while I'm painting another piece, I can be thinking about the concepts or the details to really tell the story in another piece, and that gives me a chance to just spend more time in the world of each painting, spend more time thinking it through and planning things out, and that's something that I've been really craving for a very long time. So this process where I can work on multiple things within the week and I can touch on each of them, it's really just reconnected me with steps that I really enjoyed in the past. And I do have this original painting available at my shop. There's a link down in the description that'll take you over there. And I also have lots of prints and stickers and enamel pins and all sorts of stuff like that over there. But I do have a link to my Patreon as well down in the description. And of course, I want to give a huge thank you to all of my patrons. You guys are absolutely incredible. I can't thank you enough for the support that you show me over there. But yeah, that's it for today. So I will be back next time with some more art, and I'll see you then.